So we decided to go down to Barrington, Nova Scotia to speak with students who live in the neighborhood to educate them on where they live and what kind of geological formations are there. Now these students live right on the border of the Goldenville Formation and intrusive tonalite. So it's very interesting to see that where they live is very geologically important. Gorgeous evening, isn't it, gentlemen? Thank you for coming on the rock excursion here today. One particular rock that's very interesting here in Barrington, Nova Scotia is tonalite. Okay, this is an example of tonalite right here. It's from the Middle Devonian period. Okay. Now this rock is 374 million to 387 million years old. Okay, and if you take a closer examination of the rock, now if you look very closely, these are actually a very interesting kind. They're intrusive rocks, also known as platonic rocks. Okay. Now these intrusive rocks are igneous rocks formed from magma, forced onto older rocks at depths within the Earth's crust, then slowly solidifies under the Earth's surface. Interesting, isn't it?
Indeed it is.
Perfect. Okay. Do you have any questions so far?
Mr. McCarthy, I have a question. What era is the tonalite rock from?
The tonalite rock is from the Paleozoic era. So now we're down at the riverside. Now this is where the Barrington River meets out to the bay. Now it's very interesting because here is the divide. On the left to the west is tonalite, and over here is the Goldenville Formation, which actually comes from the Cambrian period. So the Goldenville Formation is made up of greywacke, quartzite, slate, schist, gneiss, and this contributes to the reason that we have Sandhills Beach full of beautiful white sand in the Barrington Lake, where on the other side, where tonalite is present mostly, there's not those type of attributions. Right. So that's kind of neat to see those in real life in person. I think the students last night on the excursion learned a lot about their neighborhood and what is the foundation of where they grew up. And I think that's very important because knowledge is key to success, and geology rocks.